Ah, the memories.
Stats on deck entertainment, Soldier Boy.
What the hell is this?
Man, when somebody be in your face on your nerves, they're talking and you don't want to hear it. They be like, y'all, trick y'all. Hey, Soldier Boy, can I y'all trick y'all? Yo, a A-Rap, I really y'all trick y'all. Cali Park, me. Hey, man, I was just wondering, can I get up? Y'all trick. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face.
Ah, what the fuck was that? Ugh. I like rap, I like hip-hop, but what the fuck? Soulja Boy? Wow. Are they seriously just taking sounds, marketing that shit with the same common repetitive beat we've heard over and over again for the last 10 to 15 years and making millions off of it? Not words, not phrases, fucking sounds?
Yeah!
Are they trying to see how many dumbasses out there will actually buy such talentless shit? Are they trying to make us dumber on purpose?
What the fuck did we do wrong?
You gotta be kidding me. Apparently not. And what the fuck is this thing? Is that a California raisin on crack? Aw, how cute. I love the messages in these videos too.
Oh, why me lean that, why me wrong? Superman that, yeah,
Superman that hoe? Wow, that's catchy. So what does it mean? Well, according to UrbanDictionary.com, that means to... Oh my god. That's great. That's a real positive message for the kids, you fucking meatheads. Dude, I don't get it. Look at me. I sound like Timmy from South Park. So what's next for this awesome genre of music? They gonna market an album of sounds retarded people make? Ugh. Alright, well enough is enough. If this is what it takes to be cool, then just sign my ass up.
Yeah, trick yeah.
Okay. What the hell?
Dude, didn't you know I'm cool? Don't forget to Superman that hoe. Yeah, I do it every night. Timmy! I mean, yeah! Yo, fool, what you think she doing, sucker? I'll bust a cap up in your white ass motherfucking.
Yeah!
I'll shoot up a fucking neighborhood, dog. I'll fucking kill all your family and fucking bury them in the ground and fuck.
My bad, dog.